Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. I beg to all of you to like and subscribe on my channel, because your support is the best to grow up this channel. Back to topics. So, it's only a matter of few days before OnePlus will unveil its flagship offering before the world. The OnePlus 6 has already gathered enough hype from tech enthusiasts, following numerous leaks, rumors and several teasers from the company through its social media channels. We already have a fair amount of information about the OnePlus 6's internals and its exteriors. Now, OnePlus has teased one of the highlight features of the phone's camera. A recent Twitter post by OnePlus hints at the presence of an ultra slow motion video recording mode, like the one on the Samsung Galaxy S9 and Huawei P20 Pro. The teaser video suggests that the smartphone will be able to record slow motion videos, although there's no mention of the frame rate or the resolution. However, the disappearing droplets hint at the camera recording slow motion in 720p at 960 fps. The only sensors capable of recording such slow motion videos in the market, available for use by other manufacturers, are made by Samsung and Sony. It's possible that OnePlus could have opted for one of these sensors for the OnePlus 6. Huawei's P20 Pro camera uses a Leica-based setup that also records 720p videos at 960 fps. Several leaks have already hinted at the OnePlus 6 offering a dual camera setup similar to last year's OnePlus 5T, with a 16MP plus 20MP setup, albeit with an improved image processor. Thanks for watching, so always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends, cause you all the best.